So what are we making today?
Okay, so today we're going to be making garlic or Parmesan garlic French fries.
Okay.
And we're going to start using the Great Value regular cut French fries potatoes. This is something very simple.
Cool.
We're going to grab these into the baking sheet. We're going to be cooking this at 450 degrees just for about maybe 10 minutes. Alongside it, we're also going to be making boneless buffalo wings. So we're just going to put these in, and they're going to be inside there mainly just for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
Alright, so once the 10 minutes is up, just make sure to grab it out. Safety first. Because we're cooking at 450, this is going to be extremely hot. So from here I lower to 350. Yeah, so we're going to be cooking them, just give them a nice brown crunch. Again, we want them to make as crunchy as possible based on your taste. Just because we are going to be putting sauce in, and the sauce is going to be very absorbent, it's going to make it a little bit mushy. And from there, just add in the sauce you want to use. So in this case, we'll try out this, the red hot sweet chili first. So next we're making the garlic fries. I crush in like 1 clove of garlic with a press, and we're just pretty much infusing it with the oil.
Hello.
Hello.
So we made 4 different kinds of wings. Well, Ryan made 4 different kinds of wings. He made
Sriracha. Tapatio. Frank's Red Hot. And the one in the front right over here is something a little bit more sweeter as a palate cleanser. This is Frank's Red Hot Sweet Chili.
Yeah. So, and then these are the garlic fries that we made, and then we have some mozzarella sticks as well. So, we're gonna try, do you want to do it in order or just like however?
However you want to do it. I know these ones are going to be good, the Tapatio and the Sriracha.
So let's try the Sriracha first.
Okay.
Let's try it out.
Again. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Nice crunch.
Not a lot of flavor, but you can kind of feel the spice a little bit. Just a tad, like not that much, but you can feel it. You can taste it. Right? A little bit of spice.
There's a little kick.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Let me have some of the fries just to...
Like garlic fries?
Mmm.
How is it?
Oh my god.
Yep.
They're so good. They're really good. Try them.
One piece, right?
There's one piece.
Okay, well, good.
Yeah. We thought they were going to be crunchy, but they're actually pretty crunchy. Alright. Let's move on to the Tapatio. I've never had Tapatio wings.
Oh, me either, but I want to try it. So I'll go for the...
Go for the big one.
Go for the big one. I like Tapatio. That's my hot sauce of...
Ooh.
Ooh, yeah. That's my hot sauce of choice, Tapatio.
Yeah, that's what he puts like on everything.
Any real Mexican will have Tapatio somewhere in their house.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't have it, you're not a real Mexican.
Alright,
Alright, cheers. Alright, thanks a lot.
Mm-hmm. You didn't taste it a lot. That's good.
It's really good.
That's really, really good.
It's a little spicy, but not like when you have Tapatio, we get the flavors.
Mm-hmm.
I think the sriracha is a little more spicier than the Tapatio. This is just a little more flavorful, for sure.
Yeah. Oh, good. I have blue cheese too. But
She doesn't do good with hot food.
I don't. So I need to like...
So we do blue cheese or ranch.
That one's getting spicier.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. I think we did this... I think this one's spicier than this one. I thought sriracha was going to be spicier, but a lot of the flavors... So
Yeah.
when you were making them, they were actually redder. So I thought it was going to be spicier. But it was actually these that were spicier.
Yeah, these are like blood red, like with them on.
Yeah.
But like when the oven, like, I don't know, it soaked it up and gave it like a nice crunch.
Yeah.
These ones weren't too much more orange, but they came out like nice and good. These are highly recommend. I'd highly recommend doing these again. These are really good.
Yeah. And I can still feel like the little kick.
Yeah.
I don't even need ketchup with these, you know?
Yeah, you always need ketchup. That's a good sign. So let's do the Red Hots. Okay. These are just center Frank Red Hots, so these are always good.
Yeah.
At first I wasn't a really big buffalo guy.
Yeah, he wasn't. Anything that had like buffalo flavor he didn't like, but
It grew on me.
it's good.
That's spicier.
You know what? I feel like they need more sauce. Maybe after you do the second round, you can add a little bit more sauce.
Oh, okay. For next time.
Yeah,
So double sauce it.
double sauce it. But it's really good.
Yeah, put it in the oven. This method gets the flavor. It's not too saucy. And it gives it a little bit of a crunch. Now, if you want to, after you finish doing this, and then, like Andrew said, just mix it back in the bowl and you should be good shape.
Yeah.
Now, if you do it in the skillet all together with one sauce, it comes out fine. Okay. You want to do the sweet one? The sweet chili?
Yeah, let's do the sweet chili. Why not?
Okay. Sweet chili.
This one we know it's just going to be sweet. It's not going to be really
Yeah, it's not really spicy. It's more on the sweet side. It tastes like more like orange chicken or honey glazed orange chicken.
So pretty much we discovered making these because Ryan wanted wings one day. And I was like, did you know that they sell the boneless wings at Walmart? So we went and then we tried it and he fell in love with the idea. So we usually only eat like this on weekends. Weekdays we just eat normal meals. But weekends we like to kind of experiment with like different recipes and, you know, make wings. Oh, good.
Yep.
They're still really hot.
Well, they came out of the oven like a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
Out of all these ones over here, other than the fries, which ones are your favorite?
Sweet chili. And
Really?
red hot, yeah. I know yours is Tapatio.
Yeah, Tapatio, just like highly recommend it. If you guys have Tapatio in the house,
Have
you want
more.
to try it? I'm gonna have these are mine.
Yeah. Those are all yours. And yeah, that's fine. I don't need it.
We do half and half. It's fine.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Cool. Anything else I want to talk about? House hunting.
House hunting, that's right. Today we went house hunting. Actually, we've been house hunting for a while. But we're just trying to determine when the right time to buy is. And
There's never a right time to buy.
that. But we're just kind of waiting to see. We want to make sure that we love the house that we're going to pick, number one. Number two, you want to make sure that we have the right information for buying a house.
True.
So we've contacted some people and like we're just trying to make the right decision at this point. We're both very critical. Not critical in the sense of like that we criticize things, but I feel like we're critical in the sense that like we think about things a lot. And we think, especially big decisions, we like to think about, you know. Mm-hmm. It's like for our wedding, to look at a venue, we looked at like 8, 9 different venues, and not until the last one did we decide to make it there. And I remember him telling me, like, okay, if we don't like this venue, we're just gonna go to Vegas and like get married there, because that's what we initially wanted to do. But then we determined that we wanted to have a big wedding, and then the last venue. Are you getting spicy?
My nose is getting runny now. It's not spicy. But my nose is feeling it though. Mm. We have like I could go a lot spicier than this.
Yeah.
Easily.
Cool. All right. Well, we're gonna keep eating.
This is all the video, just us eating in front of the camera. Okay.
I like watching mukbangs. Ryan doesn't. He doesn't understand them. But I watch Kim Tai's channel all the time, and it's just fascinating to me. Like, I watch it while I'm like getting ready or while I'm washing dishes. So it's not like I just sit there and watch them. I like do stuff while I'm watching them. It's true, right? I ain't lying.
She ain't lying.
Yeah. Brian likes watching. What do you like watching on YouTube?
I don't have anything in particular. Like shoutouts?
Mm-hmm.
If anything, like if you're watching like Game of Thrones or anything popular on TV, Emergency Awesome's a good YouTuber. He pretty much breaks it down how my brother and I break down TV shows. The main benefit for him is he gets backside information somehow, or he just does his research. His videos are really straightforward, but if you watch an episode of, let's say, Walking Dead, he'll do a breakdown of The Walking Dead. He calls it the top 10 WTF moments. Mm-hmm. Like the main highlights of that episode. And kind of orientates it towards the comics. For Game of Thrones, they'll do the same thing for the TV for the books.
Yeah, or like movies, like Marvel movies, he'll do the same thing. So
yeah.
He does a lot of different like reviews of things and like
anything
spoilers.
Anything that's comic book related, he'll do. He does a really good job.
Yeah. So, I like watching that one too. Like whenever we go watch like a Marvel movie, I like watching it.
Afterwards?
Mm-hmm, afterwards. I know one of these.
Okay.
Our favorite, sriracha.
Not in this house.
I was being sarcastic. Because we didn't really like this one. Brandon also likes watching tech videos. So, like anything that has to do with like new tech coming out, or like doing research.
Have to keep up with the technology.
Yeah. He likes watching that. I honestly just watch like trash TV. I call it trash TV. I watch a lot of vlogs. I watch a lot of mukbangs. Shane Dawson, of course. Yeah, that's pretty much what I watch. So it looks like we're pretty much done here.
Yeah.
But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching.
Am I gonna finish it?
Oh, everything?
Yeah, isn't that how mukbangs finish? You like finish the whole plate?
Yeah.
I mean, they're sticking around this long to see us watch freaking this play. They gotta stick around another 5 minutes for the rest of it.
Yeah. You're right. You're right. You gonna take this one?
Huh? Sure.
Yeah.
You get up too early. What?
Can you hand me one of the mozzarella sticks?
Get some mozzarella stick? See?
Mm-hmm.
He gets to the camera.
I want a mozzarella stick. Please. Thank you.
No problem. De nada. No. That's what I get for fucking around.
I'm going on camera. But yeah. What else? Really didn't do much this weekend. Except I cleaned out my closet.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Did you really?
And I put stuff on my Poshmark. So if you guys are a plus size gal and want stuff that I put on my Poshmark, I will link it down below. So you guys can buy from there.
You can do that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. I want to show your Poshmarks on live video, on like in real life.
It's not food related. Unless you guys want me to. If you guys want me to put it on.
Like you have one channel just for food stuff, another channel for Poshmark. You can link that from Poshmark and vice versa.
You're right. I can do that.
See? That's how you do it. You're not utilizing your media.
If you're not a plus size gal, both my my dad and my best friend have a Poshmark. So you can look at stuff there too.
Links below.
Links below.
She's not going to put a link. She's going to forget about it.
I'm not.
There you are.
Mm-hmm.
I bet you are.
Do it. I promise I will.
Promise the camera?
I promise to the camera. Oh my god, I was going to eat all this. Here, I'll leave you that.
Just eat it.
I'll leave you that.
Just eat it. It's fine.
Oh.
That mozzarella sticks. I'm good.
You can have mine too. Last one? Oh no. Or the last one. Alright, we're done.
Done.
High five. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. And let me know what you guys want to watch. If you guys want more mukbangs, let me know. And tell me what you want to see us make and eat. Okay? I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.